Hello guys, today we experience awesome photo editing techniques. The beautiful thing is that we will convert a portrait photo and its skin color into an awesome creative artwork. And the beautiful thing is that we will make the process more simple and easy to understand for every level of designers and artists. Now let's just open the creative texture. So just drag and drop the creative texture or our portrait photo in Photoshop. After placing this creative texture, we will adjust its position. We can rotate, scale or transform. So we can easily find a very suitable area of the creative texture. Then we will just blend the creative texture or our portrait photo. So let's check guys. To blend the creative texture, we will go to layer window and just select multiply option. We will select the multiply option in layer window. It's a beautiful blending mode. So I'm just selected the multiply option in layer window. Now it's beautifully blended. Now we just mask this texture layer and we will go to brush tool, and using the brush tool we will hide all the unwanted area in the background of the creative texture. Let's keep hiding the extra background area of this creative texture, and we can see different type of creative color areas and texture. This part is beautifully blending with the portrait photo, and easily we can just adjust its position, and it will be more important and one of the easiest way to make our photos more creative. After adjusting its position, I am selected one of the best area. After hiding the unwanted area from the background of the portrait photo, we are just going to remove all black spots, black lines, unwanted texture area from the portrait skin. We have to remove the smart object from the creative texture layer. Then only we can just remove the black lines from the photo face. Before go to that removing process, let's just remove the smart object option from the layer window. Then we can easily select the specific black area using lasso tool or other selection tool, and just click the right click button on that selection. Then we can see a fill button and we can see a content aware window. That option will be one of the easiest option to remove the black spots from the face. Let's check.